So guys, today is the unboxing of Aptech 6-in-1 beginner's soldering kit. So I just opened it for checking, guys, so that won't be an issue, I think. So let's open this up. So it's a nice quality packing, guys. So let's open it. So they have given a kit here, the soldering iron. So I think the wire is pretty long. Let's see it. Yeah, it's pretty long, guys. So yeah. So yes, the wire is pretty long. So let's keep it aside. And here they have given a wire stripper and cutter. Let's open that and see. So nice, that's a great quality. Excuse me. So that's pretty nice, guys. It's premium, so it's cutting pretty well. So here they have given a stand. Let's keep that aside. Here they have given the soldering paste, and here they have given the metals. Here the copper. So let's keep that aside. Here they have given this. So like, okay. So let's see the stand now. Let's open it. So I think it should come like this. So yeah, that's right. Daddy. So it comes like this. So that's pretty well stand. So that's all, guys. The 6-in-1 Aptech beginner's kit is very nice. I just bought it for 230 rupees, guys. It's pretty good for the given price. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. Signing off here until Anil Balaji CS.